I left the... Okay. Hi. Hello. How are you doing? So I thought I'd make this fun blooper reel of some of the funny sounds that come out when I am narrating books. I just finished my second book and I thought this would be a great little celebratory, fun video to share. I just decided I wanted to try and see what narrating was all about, so I have no formal training and I'm just going after it and enjoying the process. So here you go, guys. I hope it gives you some chuckles. P.S. This first one you're going to hear is a bit long, and I was just going crazy with this goofy accent and just really having fun with it. Nay, be a Columbus to whole new continents and worlds within you, opening new channels, not of trade, but of thought. Every man is the lord of a realm beside which the earthly empire of the Tsar is but a petty state, a hummock left by the ice. Yet some can be patriotic who have no self-respect and sacrifice the greater to the less. They love the soil which makes their graves, but have no sympathy with the spirit which may still animate their clay. Patriotism is a maggot in their heads. What was the meaning of the South Sea exploring expedition, with all its parade and expense, but an indirect recognition of the fact that there are continents and seas in the moral world to which every man is an isthmus or an inlet, yet unexplored by him, but that it is easier to sail many thousand miles through cold and storm and cannibals in a government ship with 500 men and boys to assist one, than it is to explore the private sea, the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean of one's being alone. Erit et extremus alter scuterbitur iberus, plus habet hic vitae, plus habet ille brille. Let them wonder and scrutinize the outlandish Australians. I have more of God, they more of the road. It is not worth the while to go round the world to count the cats in Zanzibar. Yet do this even till you can do better, and you may perhaps find some simes hole by which to get at the inside at last. England and France, Spain and Portugal, Gold Coast and Slave Coast, all front on this private sea, but no bark from them has ventured out of sight of land, though it is without doubt the direct way to India. If you would learn to speak all tongues and conform to the customs of all nations, if you would travel farther than all travelers, be naturalized in all climes, and cause the Sphinx to dash her head against a stone, even obey the precept of the old philosopher, and explore thyself. Herein are demanded the eye and the nerve. Only the defeated and deserters go to the wars. Cowards that run away and enlist, start now on that farthest western way, which does not pause at the Mississippi or the Pacific, nor conduct toward a worn-out China or Japan, but leads on direct a tangent to this sphere, summer and winter, day and night, sundown, moon down, and at last earth down too. Who that has heard a strain of music feared then lest he would speak extravagantly any more our outlines dim and misty on that side, as our shadows reveal an insensible yet they are significant and fragrant like Ah! Ugh. Yet they are significant and fragrant like frankincense to superior natures. Yet they are significant and fragrant like frankincense to superior natures. Yet they are significant and fragrant like frankincense to superior natures. Got it. Or even the Elizabethan man. Or even the Elizabethan man. Or even the Elizabethan man. Oh my God, it's plural. If the condition of things which we shall we with pains erect a heaven of blue blah blah blah. Oh my gosh. Shall we with pains erect a heaven of blue glass? It's not grass, it's glass. Obsequious attendance? Ooh. On the duty of civil Yet this government never or itself, but a corporation of before yet he has lawfully donned the before yet it is not my business to be petitioning the governor or the I left the woods for a good I left the okay, and not have many I should feel as if I were worth less than in that case. I could not help being struck with the foolishness of before they could get to be as free as I was. If they cannot come at some point, I was, though I they do but what they have already done in there. However, the government does not concern me much, and I shall be so unwise rulers or reform. I know that most men think differently from me, self. I know of those. Yet, compared with the cheap professions, and to treat the individual with respect as a neighbor, which even would not think it inconsistent. What is happening? Okay. Go. That is all I have for you. Watch another video. Subscribe to the channel. Like something. And say something nice about yourself. You got up this morning. Good job. And maybe step outside. It's good to be out in the air. Okay. That is all. Go on. Shoo. Wonderful person, you.